Hello everyone, my name is Justin Cross and I'm the Head of Innovation Practice here at Digital Catapult, and welcome to the Innovator briefing session for our Niantic Lightship Augmented Reality Accelerator. Now I'm very excited to announce this fantastic opportunity for you to join this program, which we are delivering in partnership with Niantic. Now the Niantic Lightship Augmented Reality Accelerator will give UK startups the chance to develop game-changing immersive experiences as part of Niantic's mission to create a real-world metaverse. Now, before we dig into the details of the program, I would like to give you a brief overview of Digital Catapult. So Digital Catapult is a part government funded, independent and not-for-profit organisation. Our mission as the UK leading authority of advanced digital technologies is to accelerate the adoption of these technologies within the creative and manufacturing sectors and drive growth for the UK economy. We work across 5 different technology areas, including AI and machine learning, future networks, so 5G and IoT, immersive technologies such as AR, VR and haptics, distributed ledger systems such as blockchain, and also quantum. Sitting firmly in the middle of the UK innovation landscape, we provide opportunities for different stakeholders in the creative and manufacturing ecosystems to collaborate and drive impact. We do this through a number of different interventions, such as providing access to our facilities in cutting-edge innovation. We offer our technical expertise, we deliver acceleration programs, and we oversee collaborative research and development initiatives. In particular, we're always looking for innovative companies with brilliant ideas and products, as well as technical capabilities which can solve challenges set by different industries. Now, this specific program is focusing on immersive technologies, specifically augmented reality, which uses the Niantic Lightship platform. I'm now going to hand over to my colleague, Nicole, to give you a bit more detail about the program and how you could get involved.
Hi everyone, I'm Nicole Stewart-Rushworth, Immersive Technologist here at Digital Catapult. I'm going to tell you a bit about the programme and its benefits. Digital Catapult and Niantic are partnering to bring the first of its kind AR programme to the UK. The Digital Catapult Niantic Lightship Augmented Reality Accelerator is looking for immersive developers to come up with creative concepts that solve the challenges set out by our industry partners. We're excited to be working with Niantic, Cartoon Network, Studio McGregor on this programme to develop AR in three different and exciting ways, utilising the Niantic Lightship AR. You'll hear more from our partners momentarily, who will tell you a bit about themselves and their challenges. But first, a bit about the accelerator. We've split the programme into two phases. Firstly, we have phase 1, concept development. From these applications, we will down select 10 teams who will receive £2,000 of funding to develop their pitch and then pitch their idea to a panel of challenge owners. From there, we will select 3 successful teams, 1 per challenge, and there will be up to £100,000 of funding available for demonstrator development. Over the 4 months of phase 2, the 3 successful teams will develop their demonstrator utilising the Niantic Lightship AR with support from Niantic, Digital Catapult and the challenge owner. Here is an overview of the programme and the expected timelines. Some of the dates for your diary. The open call closes on Sunday the 19th of June at 11:59 p.m. and we're expecting to be able to announce the selected participants by the 15th of July. There is a full breakdown of dates available in the open call briefing page and on the FAQs online. For the successful participants, there'll be funding available up to £100,000, access to technical support and expertise, and the opportunity to connect and network with partners and challenge owners. Speaking of which, let me pass over to Tricia from Niantic, who will tell you a bit more about the Lightship AR and their retail and future of the High Street Challenge.
I'm Tricia Becker. I'm the Developer Relations Lead at Niantic, and I'm going to talk with you a little bit more about the Lightship AR and the Niantic Challenge today. So Lightship is based on 3 core pillars: sharing, understanding, and mapping. And together, these foundational pillars can help you build planet-scale AR experiences. So with mapping, any public place in the world where people gather, explore, and connect can be altered and reimagined into an entirely new experience. So that includes features like depth estimation, real-time meshing, and occlusion. With sharing, you can create, change, and interact with digital objects in the physical world through shared experiences that are consistent for everyone using the experience. And that includes features like real-time AR multiplayer, networking, and our AR backend services. And finally, with understanding, digital objects can behave on different real-world surfaces and appear in places where they can understand environmental elements and interact together seamlessly. So that includes features like semantic segmentation, where you have masking for real-world objects like sky, ground, trees, buildings, and much more. And together, alongside these features, we have additional developer guidance materials and tooling to help support you on your building journey. So we've got documentation, we've got Unity examples, we've got sample apps and code that you can walk through. And then we also have our virtual studio mocking and additional tutorials available to help you go along your development journey. And when you're watching this feature may already be released, but coming in May of 2022, we have our visual positioning system. And our visual positioning system will allow you to place virtual objects in specific locations and allow those objects to persist. So really, this is a cloud service that enables applications to align a user's device with persistent AR content that is attached to real-world locations, allowing you to create powerful new immersive experiences. And really at Niantic, what we're trying to do is allow you these shared experiences that combine movement, experience, and exploration. So you have the ability to reach customers where they are and where they're going and where they'll be. So all while telling your story in new, meaningful, relevant, and creative ways. And whether you're an entertainment company, sports, music, education, health and wellness, retail, the Lightship platform really allows you to reach old and new alike, all while being very powerful and nimble and a natural extension of your brand. So for us, shared experiences, movement, and exploration, these are really the three universal components that allow us to reach people of all ages and backgrounds and locations. And using the Lightship AR DK, you can really help deliver your mission and vision and company goals outside of some of the traditional barriers that other media and platforms might have. So thinking about kind of physical products and location, a lot of times those come with limitations. And when you're using the power of AR with the Lightship AR DK, you no longer have those limitations. So on to the challenge. With the challenge, Niantic is looking for creative ideas that really support local businesses. They help create new ways of engaging consumers and really bringing communities back together. So our focus is on getting people outside and really back to their city centers. So we're looking for augmented reality experiences that allow users to get outside, explore their community, and really engage with their neighborhood and independent retailers that are around them. So as you're thinking through this challenge, the concept should find an interactive way to increase community engagement and really get people excited about experiencing more of their local areas, like high streets and cultural sites and the hidden gems that are around them.
Hi everyone, my name is Grace Murphy and I'm a digital producer at Cartoon Network. I work in a team of producers that make awesome digital content for kids, including apps, games and websites. And I'm really excited today to be introducing the Cartoon Network Challenge. The Cartoon Network Challenge focus IP will be Toon Cup. Toon Cup is a mobile app and web game. It launched in 2018 and since launch we've amassed over 70 million downloads, which is amazing. We have a video here to introduce the product. It's a promo from 2021 and you get to see a bit of the game footage.
Toon Cup 2021 has kicked off and it's free to download and play. with brand new features and even more of your favourite characters. Toon Cup 2021, available now for free in your App Store.
So, a bit more about the Cartoon Network Challenge. Cartoon Network is looking to leverage augmented reality to extend the Toon Cup universe. The challenge is looking for concepts that use the Lightship platform to extend the Toon Cup universe and create content and experiences that push the game's narratives, characters, and experiences into the outdoor world. The idea will use Toon Cup characters to connect our audiences to real-world events. The aspiration for the app demonstrator includes the scope and energy of Toon Cup, created with the Cartoon Network manifesto in mind. So what's the Cartoon Network manifesto? We are funny, we celebrate unfiltered realness, we are uniquely Cartoon Network, and everything a kid does, big or small, changes the world for the better. And here we have the areas of interest for the challenge. We want it to be an accessible and safe experience for kids, be a fun, delightful and engaging experience for kids aged 7 to 10, increase brand awareness for Cartoon Network and their IP, enhance the Toon Cup interactive experience, bring fictional characters into the real world, and blend sports with augmented reality. Thanks very much.
Hi, I'm Suhair Khan, the chair of Studio Wayne McGregor, the creative engine for choreographer and director Wayne McGregor, and the home of his lifelong inquiry into physical intelligence, thinking through and with the body. A multi-award-winning artist, Wayne is renowned for trailblazing innovations that have radically redefined dance into the modern era, and his vision extends beyond the boundaries of dance, into design, architecture, science, music, and technology. Studio Wayne McGregor exists to support this inquiry, designing, developing, and delivering innovative projects that challenge and explore the edges of where the body, mind, and technology intersect, and the capacity of art for social change. So this is where we come to you. We have a challenge to you, to technology innovators, developers, creative disruptors. We're looking to turn basic movement competencies into innovation beyond the confines of the dance world and provide everyone with tools to tap into their innate creativity in a shared experience. This challenge is looking to empower user self-expression through movement. The concept for Studio Wayne McGregor should be to use the Niantic Labs Lightship platform to encourage players to move through urban environments using key elements of dance. Think about timing, control, balance, coordination, and anything else. So, building on Wayne McGregor's inquiry into physical intelligence, we want to create a game that is fun, surprising, immediate, but also beautiful. Users are going to be able to interact with one another using kinetic tags placed in our everyday environment, and to create a new shape-shifting movement diorama in augmented reality, made directly from each of our own unique physical autographs. So in this challenge, we're going to be looking for you to answer some of the following questions with us. How do we distribute atoms of a dance across a city? How do we collect the 2D atoms and compose them in 3D to activate this dance? How can core skills in dance making be used to frame the kinetic games? And how do we move between aesthetics to a fully rendered beauty? That's something that I think you should really sit with. Finally, how do we use the kinetic properties of our mobile phones to prime for movement? We are super, super excited to see your ideas and concepts. Thank you and good luck.
Thank you, everyone. Now you've heard about our challenges, who we're looking for to apply. We're looking for creators with experience working within immersive experiences and augmented reality, startups, scale-ups, creative studios, and developers who are excited to explore augmented reality solutions and applications across the real-world metaverse. If you're interested in movement, exploration, and shared experiences utilizing the latest AR technologies, then we want to hear from you. Companies applying will need to have the following: be registered as a UK company with a physical office in the UK and use a business bank account in the UK. The team will has to have one or more team members with expertise with immersive digital technologies, specifically augmented reality. Applicants must develop solutions enabled by immersive technologies utilizing the Niantic Lightship platform. And finally, applicants must be able to attend at least 70% of the activities required. When it comes to assessing the applications, our panel of judges will be looking at the following criteria: the proposed idea, meaning the potential to answer the set challenge, the strength of the idea, and its suitability and relevance to AR technologies and Lightship features. We are looking for original ideas with novelty, innovation, thoughtfulness clearly demonstrated in the application. For the teams applying, we'll be looking to make sure your team has appropriate experience and expertise and diversity across the team. Finally, we are looking for how technically feasible and viable the ideas are, if the teams are able to deliver the idea, as well as potential for growth beyond the programme. Once the open call closes on the 19th of June, here you can find the timeline for deliberation, announcement, and the beginning of phase 1, with contracting and then into concept development. As per before, these dates are available online as part of the application process and on the challenge briefing page. Well, thank you. Visit the Digital Catapult Future Scope website to find a full breakdown of the challenge briefs, more information, as well as the terms and conditions and frequently asked questions. To apply, register your interest online, and then you'll be emailed an application form, which will need to be submitted by Sunday, the 19th of June. If you have any questions, please get in touch on the email address on screen now, and we're really looking forward to reading all your applications over the forthcoming weeks. Good luck.